Hi, my name is Joab, and I'm going to present my homework 12. Okay. For my homework 12, I select these questions. The questions are, which is your most difficult class? Which is the easiest class? Do you dedicate time to study for a certain course outside of classes every week? Do you have a special strategy to get ready for your exams? How many hours do you study before an exam? And the last one, do you seek special help for every complex subject? Okay, for these questions, for this little interview, I select 20 of my classmates who were studying industrial engineer as me. These classmates are some ones for two semester, others from 5 semester. It's kind of various. For the step number 2, I collect all the information. The information is going to be in the next presentation. Next, I made some graphics for a visual support to better understand the information. And the last one, I made a conclusion. Well, this is my results. For the first question, which is your most difficult class? You can see 8 of my classmates say it's Mecánica, 3 Física, 2 say Sigma, 4 Estadística, and 3 Matemáticas. Okay. For a certain course outside the class, do you study for a certain course outside the classes every week? Well, most of them say no, and a little bit say yes. Next one. Do you have a special strategy to get ready for your exam? Well, this one was the most of them say yes, and a little part say no. How many hours do you study before an exam? This was very various. The most popular was 2 hours with 6 people, and the less popular was 5 hours with only 2 people. Do you seek special help for very complex subjects? Well, most of them say no, 16 of them to be exactly, and 4 of them say yes. The ones who say yes, they search for a professor outside the Millennium University, and they have personal professor for a certain subjects. Okay, next one. And here's my conclusion. I'm gonna read my conclusion. The conclusion I made was, the results in this activity show that most of students in Tech Millennium who are studying industrial engineer does not study nothing or barely. I also note that the class chosen as the most difficult was the ones that is more practice like math than theoretical like this class. What I'm trying to say is that the most difficult classes for every student, as you can see, is the one who is more like practice, like physics, like those one with a lot of numbers, a lot of letters, a lot of formulas. And the theoretical classes is usually the most easiest. My personal opinion is that maybe the reason why students don't study is because we have Canvas and we have access to recording of the classes and every other thing we need anytime in our cell phones, and we take it easy. And that's all for my presentation. Thank you.